Hey there, and welcome to Olive Social. In this video, we're going to go over setting up Google Drive on your computer so you can have easy access to all of your photos and videos from Olive. Let's get started. First, head to your personal computer, open up your preferred internet browser, and navigate to google.com/drive/download. From here, you'll be given the option to download Google Backup and Sync or Google Drive file stream. Select Google Backup and Sync by clicking the Download button near the bottom left of the Personal box. Another box will appear asking you to confirm the terms of service. Go ahead and click the Agree and Download button. This will open your browser's file downloader. Using the Explorer or Finder window, select a folder where you'd like the application to be saved. Generally, we recommend using the pre-existing Downloads folder on your computer. After confirming the download location, give the application a moment to download. Then open the folder where you saved it and double-click the downloaded application to install it. It will prompt you for a Google username to log in. Go ahead and log in using the information given to you by your Client Success Manager. Once you've signed in to Google Drive, you'll be asked to select which folders from your computer you'd like to sync with Google Drive. For the sake of saving space, we advise unchecking all of these boxes and moving on. The next step will ask which folders from your Google Drive you'd like to sync with your computer. At first, you'll see two options. One will automatically sync everything that's put into your drive. The other will sync only selected folders from your drive. Make sure the second option is selected. There should be an Olive Social folder pre-made and ready for you, so go ahead and make sure the box for that folder is checked. Now just click Done and you're all set. After a few moments of loading, a Google Drive folder will be added to your sidebar in Explorer or Finder. Before we finish up, let's take a look inside this folder so we know what and where everything is inside it. By clicking the Google Drive folder in your sidebar, you'll be taken to where your Olive Social folder is. Double-click on the Olive Social folder to see what's inside it. You should see a list of folders that includes Setup, Identity, Photos, and Videos. The Setup and Identity folders contain files that we use for setting up your Olive device and will not be used for storing your content. Within the Photos and Videos folders, you'll find separate folders for each campaign, and within those folders, you'll find your photos or videos. With that, you should be good to go. Now, accessing your Olive content can be quick and easy. If you have any questions regarding Olive or Olive Social, give us a call at 1-888-628-9691 or visit videosbyolive.com.